mace. Hey, stop! Stop over and shoot! What the hell is this? Something looking strange, or what? You didn't hear me? I didn't hear my name called. You didn't hear me calling you all the time? I was concentrating on my business. So why you stop? You make me lose concentration. Well, you're playing yourself. Hey! What you gonna do with that? Hey? What the hell is wrong with all the police? You ain't see how many people in front of you there. Go ahead, hit me! Hit me! What happened? Eh? You ever went on Facebook? Beat me! Shit! Never hear about Kubla sing or what? How far you think you could have run in that condition? Hey, my brother have an old car and it's rich far. You know I find for a handicap, man. Oi! Challenge. Have some respect. What? Challenge. I find for challenge, man, you have plenty talk. My brother old car challenge. And it has made plenty noise. Your brother handicapped too? No, he challenged. Oh, it's true earlier. We go challenge you. How far you think you could have run in that condition? Huh? How far you think you could have run in that condition? My brother old car has reached far, boy. Huh? What the ass is this? How the hell you born that short, boy? Don't worry, it's on. Where you come from? Who? Where you living? Oh, you know where I live? Oh, sorry about that. Hey! Where you living? St. James. This is Belmont, not St. James. I never tell you I come from my home. Hey, don't let us come. Hey! What you want to hit me so far? What you want to hit me so far? Break it more, break it! Go ahead, break me! Break it! Go ahead! What the hell? Me and do you nothing? I am putting it to you. I see you jump over a wall on Katie's Road, you stupid fool. You see me? You jump over a wall. On Katie's Road. Huh? But I want to hear you tell a judge that. You stupid fool. What you was doing there? Eh? What you was doing there? I forget my key, so I went to get it. Oh, dear. So why did you use the key to open the gate and come out? Me ain't living there. So you admit to jumping over the wall? Oh, wait a minute. Somebody report something? Not yet. But you see that wall that just jumped over there? It's my house behind it. So wait, I supposed to get frightened as you say that now? Why was you jumping over the wall? Look at the cell insurance. Insurance? Yes. What kind? Accident, you interested? For me to end up like you? Look, boy, I see your pocket there. That your work you emptied for yourself. Maybe you only work for you. Go ahead, empty the pocket. Shit. Hey, watch out, $50 in that pocket there. Who is that getting that pocket? I have $50 in my pocket there. Watch yourself how you're going through there. Well, you feel like to thief your money? Well, things disappearing in police station all the time. Eh? Where's that crippled pocket? Shit, man. You have a back pocket in? Eh? I don't want you in the back there. Where you see I don't bend up and thing already. Bend up no more. I don't like how you're looking. Okay? So don't go in the bag there. Yeah? That is for one purpose.
Where you have the day? Where in the pocket? Where in the pocket there?
Oh God. Shit, man.
Take it on.
I'm taking it on myself. Let me go in my pocket for myself. Oh God. Oh shit.
What's that? What's that? What's that?
My kerchief.
Let me see it. Let me see it.
It's sweaty. Oh.
Give it to me.
Oh shit, man. Hold it. Oh God, I'm going to see.
Who underwear is this?
It's mine, it's my kerchief.
Yours?
Yes.
Where you get it? Where you get it?
Me ain't telling you that.
What?
I want to see you launch a commission of inquiry into how I get that kerchief. Let me see you gonna look stupid. You go to court with that and put it up in front of the judge. Let me see you gonna look stupid. Right?
This is from Chimpang Store on Charlotte Street.
You have one too? Congratulations.
Is my wife underwear?
Is your wife underwear? Oh God, she big boy.
I buy it for she for Valentine's. And now it's in your possession. Are you guilty?
I know that saying you, I want to see a lawyer.
Look, man, don't change the subject, man.
I ain't changing the subject. He's a lawman. I need to see a lawyer. Okay? That's how it is.
What the hell is this? You feel police as ass?
Police feel like ass too. So all are we in the same category. All are we is ass.
Hey, you calling me ass, what?
But you look like you just ask people that every day, but one of these good days somebody will tell you yes. Go ahead. Look, I know that this thing never happened before.
You was in my house before?
Look, officer, I want the cause of confusion in the house. Like, I use the police, it is called half-inch Charlie.
How you know that?
You don't want to know what?
Tell me why I could take you guys a big man.
That is not what I hear, you know.
What you hear?
Well, you know a centimeter is less than an inch? I hear it's a centimeter.
So if you jump my wall to harm me based on hearsay, actually breaking up.
What you want to hit me so for, boy? Go ahead. Break me up. What the hell is that piece of wood? Oh, shit. That piece of wood in your hand does make you feel like a real man. I think so. Oh, shit, man. What the hell wrong with you? I was just helping out.
But me never asked for no help out from you.
It's your wife that asked me for help.
What you gonna help my wife with?
Ah, boy. You is half, she's whole. I'm gonna bring you a little bit.
Hey, I hope you interfere with my wife.
Oh, you ain't sure now? You sure?
What the hell is this?
What people just want to feel. So, officer, you can't get away with me, you know.
Why?
Family, listen to me. If your ear is scratching you, and you take your finger and you scratch your ear with it, which does feel better, the finger or the ear?
The ear?
The ear?
The ear?
The family eyes your finger.
How the hell my wife pick up with you?
Oh, does he pick up with me?
E.T.?
E.T.?
E.T., you're looking like a E.T.
But E.T. didn't come on no spaceship. It's at 10 days I do down here last year. Alright? That's how she picked up with me.
Since last year this going on?
Yeah, but, come on, man. You're only busy with crime and combat and all kind of thing all over the place. Crime in all your house to go home. That's it.
But man, me ask for none of your services, you know.
It's your wife that asks for help.
But you're a blasted cripple.
May I have problem positioning myself? Ask your wife. Ask your wife. Ask her.
What were you doing in my house, boy? What are you just doing in my house that you carrying on so?
Eh? Officer, do you realize all of a sudden you start to get good food to eat when you come in from work?
How you know that?
Family is I just cook the food.
Oh man, you just cook the food? Oh, the head left on it, but that.
Hey, that is my trade secret.
Are your trade secret?
Yeah.
Are your trade secret?
Yeah.
All right, Mr. Trade Secret, you just cook the food. Why eat Monday?
Peel out.
Eh? Tuesday.
Breadfruit oil dog.
Why Wednesday?
Stew pork, Spanish rice, and green salad.
That's a lucky guess, man.
Lucky guess. Lucky guess. Look at how nice your shirt I am. I thought your wife would have tell you something by now.
You iron a shirt too?
And your pants.
My pants?
Yes, officer, government officer. They don't cause no confusion in your house, you know. Eh?
Look, but I never asked for nothing from you, boy. You asked for a service?
It's your wife that asked for my help. I was helping out.
Walk with me down by the station.
Look, you want to do that, officer.
Walk with me down by the station. I don't play with my wife, you know.
But if you start to play with she eat, you won't have to go in your house. Play with she. This is how you play upstairs.
What is your name?
E.T.
Hey, don't put the ass with me, you know.
But you just christen me. If you don't call me E.T. then.
What is your blasting name, boy?
E.
Hey! What is your name? What's your name?
Aloysius.
You born in that condition and they still call you Aloysius?
Well, you have to find a name for me? You know?
But oh God, Aloysius?
Aloysius, that's the only name they could have find to put a pin on me. You know?
You could have picked a stronger man. And where you say you're from?
Belmont.
I thought you say you're from St. James.
That is before we become friends.
I'm not your blasted friend, boy.
Hey, you don't want me for enemy. You don't really want me for enemy, officer. Okay? E.T. is your best friend. Okay?
You know, you're the most brave person I find getting on here for somebody I know find a crime scene.
Crime scene? What crime scene is that going?
Home there.
If there are no blood in your house,
Eh?
the only thing dead in your house is you.
That's it. You're locked up, you're locked up. You're locked up, boy.
Officer, you're not thinking straight,
But
man.
you can't, boy.
You can't do them things,
But
man.
you can't, you're locked up, boy.
Stupid or what?
What?
What's wrong with you?
What?
If you lock me up, man, your wife's got to come down too. You understand what I mean? All your police friends will laugh at you. What's this? Eh? You can see me, you and your wife and talk in court, sit down on a bench together, eh? And talking all with business. It's that people is coming out of mind people's business. Next thing you know, all of a sudden, the whole country calling you soft man and say, I prefer on you. You don't want to deal with that? You really want to handle that? You can sit down? Come on, man. You know what I mean? You know him? Are you only talking about the panty? You know him? Shit is this. Yeah? I ain't in the officer. What you doing? What you doing? You locking me up? Eh? I ain't hearing what you're saying. Say it, man. Eh? What?
Go down, just go down.
All right. You gotta say that all the time. Officer, before I go, wash your ass. Which country you from? Eh? You from my country? But I'm glad to get rid of you. Because we try to get rid of all the Macos only. You know, and the Macos that we get rid of, all of them was 6 to 1, you know. Yeah, we get rid of them. So stay here, okay? She know you. Officer.
What, man?
Oh, God, man. Don't listen to you, man. I could get back my coaches.
You're a madman, no?
What do you mean I'm a madman?
You have to be a madman.
Oh, man.
You ever see a police give an ex-man the wife on the way?
You know, always have a first time for everything.
Now get out of here, man. Get out!
You sure you want to?
Get out!
All right.
You know, I changed my mind. Come here.
Come. For what?
I changed my mind. Come here. I said to come here.
Officer.
Hey, I will break you and kill you. Come here.
All right. Shit, man. Oh, yeah.
Hey, shut your mouth, boy.
Don't let him Marcos see you.
Shut your mouth, boy.
She go talk.
Shut your mouth, boy. I want to ask you something, boy. You play that, you know. I want to ask you something, boy.
Oh, the Marcos. Right.
What you cooking, son?
Well, he went to make a cook big chicken. Hallelujah. And next one again. Callaloo, big chicken, potato salad, watercress, I put in what? Nobody invite you for lunch. Check that. But I don't have macaroni by you. Throw a little mince meat inside there, you can fix it up like a shepherd pie and things like that, right? You're getting all of that. What time do you come?
Come for $900.
Yeah? What time is that? Well, if you are the house, you know everything. He said, go $900. Go $900. What?
9 o'clock, boy.
But say something, man. Say 9 o'clock, man. I don't like to make all this stuff so important. Go $900.
Just go your way now.
All right, officer.
Go your way.
I will see you Sunday, right? All right?
Go on, man. Go on.
You know you love them now.
Go on, man.
Don't play bad for me, you know. Okay? Because everybody inside there, you know your business now. Okay? And you see that, Makole? She will go all California with it. I'll go see you, officer. No. Courts pass, I take back Mommy furniture. So, Mommy said to my Auntie Joyce, they get 2 chairs. You see? Actually, bad talking daddy, but daddy was supposed to pay for it, you know. I don't know why these men and them, when they live in the room, they don't pay for the woman things at them, so that they can have it. But anyway, I tell Mommy, in 20 years when I grow up, she gonna have all the table and chairs she wants. She want to know what she gonna eat on for now. I tell Mommy, we start on the floor. So, we go say, okay, I eat. Mommy, something else, yes? That, you know? Really, I didn't think you going. Watch me. Watch, hey. Mommy. Me want the police coming here to take me thief table now, you know. Okay, leave it there. Go. Let's go. Yeah. Wait, this is second-hand sale, all yeah? They were selling these scratch and dent thing, you know. Yeah? And they never buy it, now we have to borrow it. Yeah, where these people are the damn stupid. Yeah. Oh, God. Oh, you see me? Your chest is good for your chest. Andrew! I tell him not to come out by the school to collect me. Oh, God, Andrew. Oh, they just embarrassed you, man. What the hell? Andrew, boy, you're just sprinting. I must sprint. Look at how you looking. Oh, gosh, Andrew. All of us embarrassed children in the school, man. I tell you, wait by the tree, down the road for me. Don't come in school and pick me up. Oh, gosh, man. Your eye must hurt you. Shucks. But when I see you by the school and them children and them watching you, I got to run, you know. Yeah, you go in the shit now. Last parents and them always have been passing. You know, it doesn't mean to me by the school gate walking out of school with him. Yeah? Oh, gosh, Andrew, you just leave me in school compound and you just come running. I must run. Oh, good. And I'm coming to school and you're only strupsing. I must strop. You know, you're 50 years. 50 years now, nobody will wear that part. I must strop. Well, this is a classic, you know. Yeah, I know. Eh? But when you get on, so you're breasting, so wait a minute. Don't tell me if that little boy in school are getting in trouble again. Eh? Don't try to tell me, you know. Tell me if it's that going on, I can deal with it. Deal with what? Eh? You can't deal with Mommy, but you want to deal with a bully in school? But who tell you I can't deal with your mother? The last time you and Mommy get away, she coffee in your face. And you stand up there and they say nothing. Eh? I know you want to deal with a bully in school, but you will regale it. Andrew, that ain't gonna happen, boy. Ain't gonna happen again? No, it don't happen again. Well, you in school, let me go. Okay. Let me go, you in school. No, we will home already. You got to relax yourself, man. Do you have to go back in school for that? We home already? Home already? Afraid. I ain't afraid, Andrew. You know bad if you look for a big man like me to go in a school and cough down a little boy? He ain't no little boy, he big. I don't know what your mother will feed you, know. That is why there's always tell Mommy she don't feed me enough. Huh? Like I live with Jenny Craig or one of them. Huh? I don't know why all the parents always have those problems and our children suffering so. What's
suffering you talking about?
Oh God, man, 1 minute I live with my mother, next minute I live with my father. And when mommy run out of food, she sent me by you, and you never have food in your house. And I tell you not because I is a child.
Oh gosh, Andrew, I explained that to you already. We have to do what the court say.
What court you telling me about? What court you telling me about? From what I know, it takes a sperm and an egg to make a child. Okay? Alright? A man and a woman. Tell the court, but the court is a slime.
What the hell I just said there?
Your phone ringing.
What did you just say there?
Your phone is still ringing.
Hey, don't disrespect me in my house, boy.
It's not your house, you're renting.
Hello, hold on. You see you? You hear what you're talking there? Who tell you I rented? Who tell you I rented?
Well, I'm the landlord collect mortgage last week. It's rent to collect.
You have any homework to do, man?
I have, yes. What homework are you talking about? Because if I do it by you, I still have to go by mommy and do it.
You know, long time children don't talk to the parents, so you know. You know, don't get your ass cut already, man.
Because long time children was stupid. Stupid, all of them was stupid. That is why they can talk, okay? We can check it, right? All of them are grown up now. A set of big stupid people walking around the place now.
Hello?
Rufus!
Wrong number.
Look! Open your ass. When you bringing the child money?
Which child are there?
What do you get?
Which child is 3 years me and you break up? Since we break up, you make 2 and you're pregnant again.
Look,
Which child?
I'm talking about my son. Your son.
Well, my son home here with me. Why you gonna harass one of them other children father for money?
Why you getting all stupid so? And you know the kill on father?
They kill on father. And then only call the child killer. And the father get killed. You may think that is a coincidence. What about the other one?
He in jail, Rufus.
Oh God, the bitch gone to hide with security. I have to tell you how we afraid you. I hope you could find the father of that child you're making there now.
But why you shutting me up so? You know he in the madhouse?
Oh, what the ass are hearing here then? You're vicious. You kill one, you put one in jail and you send the next one back. You let me off easy. Either that or you run out of place to put me.
Look, Rufus, hold your ass.
It's 3 years now I'm trying to hold my ass, but you're stalking me. Don't stalk me, no man.
Shit, man.
God, boy, me want to get bigger tomorrow.
Wait a minute. Rufus, which part Andrew is?
You right here?
And you talking all this shit in front of the child?
Hey, catch yourself, you know. My son is stupid, you know.
Tension, that's me, tension.
Hey! Why do you hush your stupid mouth?
But it's me all I'm talking about. It's me all I'm talking about. Shit, man, but the people stupid.
Wait till he say that?
You say you're stupid.
What?
I didn't say that.
You say you're stupid.
I didn't say mommy's stupid.
You say your mother's stupid.
I said big people stupid.
And your mother makes you belly big, so she big as you stupid.
Hey, boy.
I'm gonna leave that all that stupid as here.
When you see that boy reach home here, I will deal with him.
You see where you go?
Hey, Rufus.
Oh, what you want?
And don't forget you still have money for me. Otherwise, it's court for you.
Adele, the last time I give you money for the child, you end up with a new outfit at one side and no ring.
Yes. You minding my business now?
It's my child business I'm minding.
Oh, you really better mind your child business. Because you see that tablet you gave him, Rufus?
He's still at that tablet, he's licking it up. It's 2 weeks now, he had a headache and I gave him a fancy.
Yes, you talk. What fancy? What are you talking about that? I'm talking about better check it. Because it has all kind of sex things on it.
That's it. How you know that?
How do you ask how you never know that? You check it.
Yeah, I like your aggressive tone, and it's about time somebody put you in your place, you. And I will be the man to put you in your place today, your dog. Hello? Hello? Oh, your money run out, you bitch. Hey, you. Give me that. Let me see that. Give that to me. Give it to me, give it to me, give it to me.
Okay. That's all.
Open. Put this on to me, please.
You got what I got?
No, but just put on the thing on me, please. Put it on. That's it?
That's it.
Easy, sir?
Easy.
Where do you think? Huh?
What thing?
Where you put the sex? Where you put the sex? I see the sex. Huh?
Where put it?
Yeah, where you put the sex? Where it is?
Well, open it.
Where you feel like stupid or what? Huh?
Well, if you're not stupid, open the thing.
Open what?
Open the windows.
Hey! Make care how hot you feeling inside this house today. Oh, you young and slap. Don't direct me to open the window in this house. Sweat here in this house is mine. Leave my window closed. It's the tablet I'm talking about.
Well, that is what I'm talking about.
Huh?
Is that I'm talking about the tablet?
The tablet?
Yes.
Open what?
Windows.
Huh?
Microsoft.
Huh?
Bill Gates.
What are you also talking about?
Are you ready to know what?
What?
The internet.
Channel net on this?
That is.
Huh?
Give me the blast.
You know how complicated this is?
Good for you.
So, take it, man. Work it. And put the sex on top.
Just now.
What's that?
Just now.
What is that?
You and mommy.
But that two cartoon thing you had there?
Well, it's you and mommy are making the two cartoon people trying to bring all it back together.
What is that you're doing there?
Kissing.
Oh, yeah. What is this thing? Two stick figures rubbing up. What is that?
Well, old fire singer sketch, you know. So I put you all in it.
But the thing looking stupid, man.
Well, if you and mommy must look stupid.
That's what your mother complaining about?
That is exactly what you're talking about.
That?
That is sexing.
So boy, put that away from the thing.
Shims,
Put
man.
it away. Where you want to eat, boy?
Right now, I could go down on a breast and a leg for a change, you know.
Boy, slap your face on the...
What happened, Daddy?
You're talking sex in the house, I'm going to pop your teeth in the back of your throat.
KFC, Daddy, KFC.
Huh?
KFC. Breast and leg, KFC.
Oh!
Yeah.
Oh! All right.
Yeah, because mommy doesn't give me chicken foot to eat.
After all that meat I just buy for she?
She just gave Uncle Ralph, Uncle Peter, and she cousin Daniel all in the leg and breast and leg. And gave me neck like I some vampire.
Who is cousin Daniel? Your mother had no cousin named Daniel? Who is
Well,
it?
the man who has come my mommy may know him.
Yeah, just this.
You know, Daddy, I can't understand something. You know, Daddy, why it is I have no aunt at all? Why no uncle I have? All of mommy has coming on my big uncle. I have no aunt.
Well, boy, I'm surprised they hold your incest here.
What's the incest?
But that's when your mother taking us. Oh! Oh, I can't tell you that boy.
Taking what?
No, she ain't taking out. No. Andrew is 10 years old, boy. Don't worry about that boy.
Alright, well, we just go on the internet and get it.
Oh, hey, wait. Who this shit involved this internet? Who invented that?
Maybe
They should have closed the gate. So you want to know is incest, right?
incest.
Incest?
Yes.
All right, I'm going to tell you what is incest. Incest.
Yes.
All right, Andrew. Now, if you call that man uncle, supposed to be your mother brother, right?
Yeah.
And if your mother and your brother have a child, that's incest, right? And if your mother have a cousin named Daniel, she tell you that Daniel is your cousin, right?
Yes.
Well, if she have a cousin named Daniel, and she do the same thing that she do with your uncle Ralph, which is your uncle, which is your brother, and she cousin Daniel, and she have a child that's incest too. You understand that, right?
No.
Good. Good.
That's what Daddy.
Yeah?
Them future and mommy made for Uncle Ralph, Uncle Peter, and cousin Daniel. That is my brothers and sisters.
What the shit I get myself involved in here, boy? But look, boy, you know what to tell you, no, son. Son, just take my advice and be careful who you call uncle. Right?
You better be careful who you call it son. What the hell going on in that house in that boy living, boy? What you telling me, man? Hush. You're safe, okay?
Who are you talking to?
A cat.
A what? You bring a cat in my house?
But Daddy,
No, I want an animal and take it back to your mother,
you
please.
just can't do that, Daddy.
You have to take it back to your mother.
I can't do that.
Why you can't take the cat back to your mother, please?
I hear Uncle Ralph tell mommy go eat it when he come back.
Uncle Ralph tell your mother you will eat it.
Yes, Daddy. Daddy, you ever do that?
No, boy. No, I never do that. It never crossed my teeth before. I never.
But why?
May I like how it stays?
I thought you said you never eat it.
Huh?
I thought you never eat it.
Oh, shit. Hello.
Yes, come on up, your door outside.
Adele, it sounds like you're on the right side of the door. What you want?
Look, you know long I stand up out here with my big belly?
You no longer stand up inside here with mine. What's the point? What you want?
I come from a child. Hey,
Oh, God, look, you see this setup.
shit, man.
All right. This pressure I take it with this try to the best you come, yes? All right. I'm coming.
Last time you stand up here.
Shit.
You come here, come
What happened? What happened?
Come here.
What did I do?
You calling me stupid?
I didn't call you stupid,
You calling
mommy.
me stupid?
Mommy's not me, mommy. I didn't call you stupid back.
No, wait. Let me deal with your father. Excuse me.
Have some manners. I'm on the phone.
Hello.
Hello.
Rufus!
Huh?
He asked you talking to.
You? Oh, shit. You like that sort of stuff talking to you when you were here?
Come.
What?
The sexting on the tablet. You deal with it?
It has no sexting and no tablet at it. Apparently, all the sexting in your house happening from your bed.
What?
Happening by you, not the tablet.
What the hell are you talking about?
What I'm talking about?
What you talking
I will
about?
explain exactly what I'm talking about. Eh? I will tell you what all the nastiness is about. Ask the witness.
What?
Me?
Ask the witness.
Me? Mommy, what did I do?
Andrew.
What?
What you tell this man?
Nothing, mommy.
Nothing.
Nothing, mommy. Mommy, daddy. Daddy was telling me Uncle Ralph is not my uncle and Uncle Peter is not my uncle and your cousin Daniel is not your cousin and if you make child for them, it's incest.
What the hell going on here?
Adele, Wendell, think about it, where I get the name from. Who gave me the name? Name nobody name. Who gave me the name?
I didn't.
If you give me the name, if you give me
You're calling me stupid. Now I'm going to deal with you. Come. Come here. Come.
Let's go. Action!
Break on. What the hell you doing?
We go put it on Facebook.
For what?
Well, you know what that boy says, how much hits you for that?
I know how much hits he gonna get in your ass. Put that shit away, come.
Mommy, no, mommy.
Don't tell me, mommy. Don't tell me, no.
Mommy,
Don't tell me,
mommy,
no.
I love you. I love you,
Yes,
mommy.
I love you too.
I love you, mommy. I love you, but you're too unfair.
What?
You can't beat me for something Daddy tell me. Why is it so? All of the blame children for all this stupidness all of this we're doing. Eh? All you have to do is come back together and it won't have no incest.
Huh? Come back.
That's all. It's simple.
What the ass I hear again? Come back.
Just come back together. You won't have no incest. Everybody will be all right.
Rue?
They got to ruin that. Who?
All right, Andrew. Right.
Who?
The boy talking sense, Rufus.
Well, he might be talking sense, but I have to watch my dollars.
Where we made that?
I done touching my ass already, and there's only one child I have with you. Look at this.
Oh, Rufus. You don't want what's best for your son? Hmm?
Well, yes, I want what's best for my son. And I think the best thing for my son is for him to live with me. Alone.
All right, I'll just Rufus. Come on, man. Rufus.
Well, yes.
Rufus, why you run? Rufus,
Huh?
if you and I living together with this boy, I will trouble you.
You? Me studying you?
Huh?
And me studying you, troubling me, studying that. I bet the God get rid of you already. I know to deal with you. Is your baggage I can handle? You don't have a dead man waiting to haunt me. Our next jailbird will come out and look for me to mine him. And the third one, man no ass, heaven alone know what you do to me. Me worry about you, it's your baggage, you're dangerous, you're a hazard. Oh God, I tell you, if you was hoping you'd be the first train that never come back. Such a nonsense. Eh? I studying you. It's not you I studying them three set of man. Not you know. No, let them know Rufus in the city alone, man. They will deal with nothing. You was good across on that side. Go back to the man. Andrew will be good. Me and you to study, you know. Leave me alone, please.
I can't understand what people are telling you. I can't understand what people are telling you.
That's it.
Oh, no, shut up! Shut up! Shut up! Hey, no, mommy! Hush your mouth! Come here! Come here! Come here!
It's you equal.
Why is stupid so? Eh? All these big people, why is stupid so? Eh? Why don't they meet each other? Why don't they love each other? Eh? Why they break up?
Andrew, you're a boy, you're a young boy. I expect you to understand. I expect you to understand. But the pressure I get with this woman, let me tell you something. When you get big, you understand something. I will tell you now. I'm fed up of the whole thing.
Well, me too.
Tell me.
You see me? I now understand what's going on. Daddy fed up of the whole, mommy fed up of the thing.
Where is he now, Zara?
I ain't too sure if it's best to go and find out. Go, look for it.
Andrew!
Go and find out. Go on.
Andrew, where is he now,
Yeah,
Zara?
go and find out. Oh, God. That's the first time that woman leaves my house without money.
But wait.
Oh shit.
Where money?
Ladies and gentlemen, that brings us to the end of this piece. Would you please put your hands together for Mr. Learie Joseph, Dolores Alexander. Ladies and gentlemen, I want you to welcome back to the stage Mr. Learie Joseph, Miss Dolores Alexander. Man and woman business, I got it.
You ain't see I get back? You ain't see I get? All right, okay.
Yeah. It's a good thing I come out early tonight. Look at money, man. Yes. But wait. The man robbed me. What is all these singles? What the ass is this? And it's counterfeit? No. It's not bad. It's not bad.
Good night. Good night.
Let me see if I can salvage the night. Yes, good night. What the ass is this? I'm Jurassic Park. What the ass you want?
Looking for a cat.
What the ass? What the ass? Watch yourself with me, you know?
Hello, meow, meow. A cat. You see a black cat pass here?
A what?
A black cat is my wife road.
Your wife cat?
Yes.
Where do the cat?
Nothing, I ain't do the cat nothing.
Yeah, what?
I ain't do the cat nothing.
That wife missing. Watch now. You want to borrow mine for 20 minutes? You want to rent my cat for 20 minutes?
But yeah, this is a whole. Jesus, it is.
Jerry? You're checking me these days. Come with she tonight. Remember when they did come with me? Look at you, say you have no money. Let me see what I can do here tonight. Somebody call you?
Well, I see you didn't. I thought it's me a calling.
Wait. Mind your supposed to play there, oh. Why don't you go back by the damn cemetery? Your corpse. Shit.
Wait a minute, you calling me a corpse? You calling me a corpse? Eh? Any woman out this hour the night suiting, have to be hungry.
Why did you say that?
You're hungry, you're talking to a corpse. Shit, you can't tell me nothing. Eh? You're a hoe. Shit.
You judging me? Excuse me. I went to university, eh? I have a bachelor's degree.
Degree is something hot, you know. Eh? I feel you just hot for bachelors. All this education you went and get at the university or getting. Eh? Wait a minute. What did you study in university?
Agriculture.
Look like you graduated with honors. Agriculture, cutlass, shovel, fork, hoe. I say hoe, right? You don't win that.
Hey, all you old people don't understand the times we live in, you know what? If you don't know somebody out here, you get through with nothing.
You might know nobody, but plenty people know you.
They don't understand what I'm saying. Things hard.
Well, thing in your favor. You don't like nothing better?
All people doing these days is tightening the belt.
All I see you doing all night is slackening belt.
I have no time but no old cops trying to guide me now. I have work to do.
Shit, man. Some young people don't understand the time they have, you know. Eh? 5 years in university and all you come out here to do is shoot off cannon. Eh? I mean, I tell you how to live your life. But I saw, you're afraid for yourself. I saw that plenty man is getting on credit. And you can't find them after.
Credit?
Credit.
You find I look stupid to you? Hey, I just collect my money before I started.
Is that paper system?
Yes.
A paper system? Well, it has something you can't sell, so...
Really?
Yes. Like if you're selling fish on the side of the road.
What?
Fish. You come out since 4 a.m. in the morning with your fish. You're out until 6 p.m. in the afternoon with your fish. The sun hot whole day. Your fish taking all I eat. Your fish could be spoiling. You can't take a man money and get rotten fish.
What are you telling me about rotten fish?
I'm glad you can trust it.
For your information, Cops, I only out here an hour ago.
This Brunswick sand in your heart. It has shelf life.
Yes, it's preserved.
Well, I will get my sardine in a grocery.
What the hell you doing out there this hour? What you doing out here?
Hey, listen. I am a reminder. Don't get time with me, okay? Don't get time with me.
So where your wife is?
She home.
Yeah, so doing out there this hour, you're haunted?
Look, we have time with you, you know. Don't get time with me. Me and my wife just get along good. Okay? I don't want nothing from you.
And I just asked you, what you asked to do out here this hour?
Eh?
Poor woman must be home, may have freedom to do nothing now. But he out here looking for sex.
Look, give me a break now.
$100.
Oh, shit. I don't mean that. I don't mean that. That's not what I mean. I mean on your tail. That's what I mean. On your tail. Check. With the ass. Me, I want nothing from you. I have a wife. You just get along. Check.
So, if I give you for free, you'll take it? Free.
Free? Free? Oh, shit, Lord of mercy. Lord, protect me from the fires that burn inside. Oh, Lord, I rebuke Satan, Lord. Lord of mercy. Oh, Lord. Oh, Lord of mercy. Oh, God.
I thought they were not from it. I know what it is, you know. You and your wife have problems.
Hey, you don't know nothing about me, okay? Nothing.
Just so it nearly explode.
Nearly? Look inside of me, my parts all over the place. Shit, man.
So why you want to ease
Oh,
the
Jesus,
tension?
edges! Lord, don't do that! Wait! Shit! Wait! Yes. Oh, God. Free? You working?
Waiting.
Look, don't get me wrong.
Hey. I don't get you wrong already. Look your age.
I like you. I like you. You're very choosy.
Listen, Mr. Bond, 1932.
Oi, 29.
What?
1929.
Yeah, it's your shape.
Shape for what?
That worse.
That what? You know what people that reach that?
As soon as I never have coffin to bury your ass yet. Listen now, me come out here to collect pension, you know.
So wait, you ain't want my money then?
Yeah. Like a only $3,000 a month.
Well, as you could see.
So what you want?
Eh?
What you want?
What?
A unipet?
Eh? What's that?
Full service.
Like you're a mechanic?
Yeah. Better be careful, you know.
Right.
Cars don't use carburetors no more, you know. It's jets. You blow out the jet. No, blow it out.
You're up a bonnet yet, so you're
Like that, your engine starts.
well, you're just too leaky.
You have gas?
Diesel. It will last longer.
How far you want to go?
Right now, I'm feeling like Columbus. All over your place.
Like what?
All over your place. You know Columbus, he just go.
Yeah, with a journey like that. You work conventionally. How your brakes work?
Why you ask?
Well, I know you have to stop at some point.
All right. You want to check my fluid?
That's too bad, you know. Yes, is this?
Oh, shit! Lord have mercy! Oh, God, I like that. Oh, no. These are ages. You know how long I tried to get my wife to get all rough so with me? Oh, Lord, you'll do it.
Hey, take your time.
What?
There's a big ass mosquito was on your face.
A mosquito?
Yes.
Shit. See if you see the next one on this side. Hit it. Hit the damn thing. Hit it.
Yeah, I feel going on here.
Eh?
Wait. This is rough play you want. Me and mine, you know. We go cost you 200 more.
Well, I don't mind. I will pay. I will pay.
200.
You want that?
Yeah, what happened with anything?
Hold my wood.
200, come quick, man.
And you know, I own that. You think that's just drop over? Go ahead. Go ahead. Go ahead.
I have to pick it up.
Oh, Lord, I don't bend no day. You know how long you can say? Go again. All right.
Good. Nice.
All right, let me go.
Good. Hold your wood.
All right, let me. You ready?
Well, the fish might be fresh no more.
Why is that?
I out here a long time.
But don't worry, I will lime it. Good lemon and lime.
Hey, all right. Oh, let me go quick.
All right, let me go. Come. All right.
Wait.
What?
You call your wife since you're out here?
I just called you. She's the last number on the phone. Come here, man. All of the few people lying. Look with her. Look, she not by here. Come. Do. What's her name?
Mabel, she name?
Mabel, she name. That's she name. Yeah?
All
All right, let me go and do this.
Let me go quick. Shit!
What?
You don't forget to call my boyfriend.
Call your boyfriend?
Yes, I forgot
Hey,
to call
look,
my
you're only young people in a set of shit behind this shit, you know. This blasted threesome only like not me on a shit, you know. Not me. I'm not going with you and your boyfriend. That damn notice just behind that. What do you really think it is?
I just want your phone borrowed to call him.
Call him?
Just let me
Call him for what? I'm not going with you or you stupid or what?
Hey.
What do you have?
It's
Next
not
thing you know,
that
I don't live with you and you missing out. No! That is shit, girl. I'm not in that.
Well, I'm experience. It's not that. It's
What?
not going to tell him what I'm coming home. Give me the phone, man. You're wasting time and money.
No, it's my phone you want to know. Phone is Monday. Don't stay long, eh?
What the ass is this? Pop-up say easy?
What do you mean?
It's a Samsung Galaxy you're rolling with?
Yes, girl, slide it, slide me. Slide me.
Nice. Where's it?
Slide me. Go ahead, slide me.
Yeah, this is Mabel.
Hello, hello, hey, oi.
No, you don't know me. I was just asked to tell you your husband say coming home just now.
I never tell you that.
No, you're right. He just playing a little fresh, but you're right.
What the ass is?
Yeah, but you know we women have to look out for one another. Yes, Joel. You're welcome. All right, later.
What the hell is wrong with all you? Hey, will you do that for?
I'll say you will get.
All right, let me go and do this thing. I don't pay already. Come. Let me go and do this thing.
Do what again?
The Unipet.
He asked if you're on postpay.
Huh?
Your money done. Yeah, so go on to take a blind.
Oi. Me feel not yet enough.
Oh, you want to feel it?
I want to feel the damn thing. Oh, shit. Wait a minute. I pay you $200 for 2 slaps. Yeah? That ain't going on yet?
And you want it wrong? Huh? You want it wrong?
I'm going to call the police.
You're going to do what?
I'm calling the police for you.
Yeah, man, let me help you.
You are.
Yeah, I had them on speed dial. Come.
Eh?
I know all of them.
You know them?
That is protect and serve me.
You see me and all that shit not me and that, you know. Eh? Call the police with my phone. Next thing you know, I end up in jail doing what you doing. On your ass here.
You can see your whole ass flexing out in jail.
Look at the nasty, stinking whoring ass here.
Oi!
Oh, Lord of mercy, girl. Lord,
Woo.
there's still a hope for you as a hope. You're still a virgin by your mouth. Woo.
What do you mean by that?
You're not brushing it.
Say what you want, on your whole ass. I have your money.
I hope you could spend it.
As I will show you how I will spend each and every day.
The money will show you.
No. Not again. What the ass is this? The money counterfeit too? The old day comes, give me money. Me and the whole ass here today.
A little boy what? A little? Only excuse me, please. I come in. Excuse me, please. Nah! You again? Come here, you. Come here. I said to come here. Come here. You can't run from the law, boy. You cannot come from it. Come on.
Oh, my God, take me back.
What the hell happened to you?
You're squeezing the ball.
You're a little boy. That is of little consequence. No ball. You want to behave like a criminal, I will treat you like one.
I'm not a criminal.
Sit down there. Open this man.
Officer Dog.
When is it just called me?
Officer Dog.
You're calling me a dog?
Yes. All officers of police is dog now.
Who says so?
The Prime Minister.
What the hell it is you're talking about?
Last month, the Prime Minister tell the Commissioner it's time to unleash the dogs of war. What do you think she was talking about? All the police. Yeah.
Little boy, do you understand why you're in the station?
Why you did not bring me here? You don't know?
You have several charges pending against you.
What charges?
Trespassing, paradial larceny,
Huh?
assault and battery.
I ain't thief no battery.
I said assault and battery.
What's that?
What's that?
Eh?
That means you're a seasoned criminal. That's what that is.
All them thing? Me do all them thing?
What you telling me? You was not the people and them property?
I was there, but it was expecting me.
What the hell it is you talking about, boy? What do you mean expecting me?
Well, the people that have a sign saying trespassers will be prosecuted. Who do you think was expecting trespassers? And they say I'm a trespasser?
So because the proper sign you feel is for you?
So who do you think it's for? I was trespassing?
Alright. Then tell me about the mango.
What mango?
The mango you and your dirty friend and them went to feed. Tell me about
my
that.
dirty friends. I was hungry, so I went to ask some mango, please. Them just happened with a tiffin when I was there.
You're lying again?
Well, if you think I'm lying, go and dust all the mango on the tree to see my fingerprint on it.
Oh, what the hell is this? So wait, now you're playing big lawyer for me?
Are you playing police?
Hey. We're playing police. Why is a police boy?
You wish. Yes, our widow come. Something resembling.
Then explain uniform. Look at the uniform, boy.
They only give you that to make you feel important. Shit, man. Only the dream of thing, you know. If I going down the highway with a steering wheel in my car, in my hand, as a car, I have no business in this. Think about it, eh? I on the highway and I have a steering wheel. You go call me a car? There's no police. The police stupid.
Oh, Lord. Excuse me.
Excuse me, ass.
Not you, boys, my phone.
When I answer the phone, you need no excuse for me for that. Answer it.
Hello. Oh, go ahead. Sorry, honey, sorry. Oh, go hello. All right. I didn't mean to answer you so. Just relax. I can't talk to you now, you know. I'm dealing with a suspect.
It's not a suspect.
Well, shut your mouth, boy. What? Hello? No, I didn't tell you shut your mouth, darling. I didn't tell you shut your mouth.
Did you tell him that?
Wash your mouth. Hello? What? The landlord, no? Hot squad? What's that? Etienne? The cable company and all?
Lord of mercy is cutting after cutting.
Wash your mouth now. Look, darling, relax, man. All right. I know you're feeling a little shame and pain. Look, just lock up the door and don't answer nobody until I come back, right? No, we could sort it out. Don't worry, the man coming to buy the car, he say bring in cash. Yeah, he come with one cokie eye mechanic, he even see oil dripping from below the vehicle. And I'm glad yesterday the oil has been on burned down that so I'm glad I could sell it for the little one. Hey! Huh? Where you going?
Oh, well, I see a business on South Bus, right?
Sit down here, man.
Police bring me in station, he talking, he kept giving me a call.
Sit your little ass down.
So he bring me a call.
Sit your little ass down, man. Hello? Darling, what?
Huh?
No, I didn't call your ass as a suspect.
Wait a minute, you calling me ass?
You, sir? No, not you. No, darling.
Wait, who you calling that?
Not you. Yes, you.
Wait a
Darling, let me call you back. Let me call you back.
Officer, you real confused, eh? You real confused. You need something. You need to sort of this.
You have to study me. You in enough trouble as it is.
Are you not doing?
Yeah, don't mind my business. Back to you on the charges. We have charges to charge you.
What charges? We do nothing. What charges?
You don't do nothing?
Yeah.
You dispatch a missile occasioning a laceration to the upper person of the owner of the property in question.
What is that?
You felt a stone and bust the owner head.
Why did you say that?
So that's what I say.
Well, there's a pretty thing you talk and I shut up people feel all important. You're talking shit in this man.
Hey, watch your mouth in the station, you know. You bust the man head, that's what I tell you, bust the head.
Is he fault?
What?
Is he fault?
How is he fault?
Is he fault? If I see a stone coming to me, I will duck. And he's so stupid. You go on that man, go through with a yellow and green hat on the head. You must hear it. That's the same thing you say when you get asked.
Oh, Lord, excuse me. Aye. My phone.
I'll show you, darling.
Hello. Oh, darling.
You see what I tell you?
Darling, you can't keep calling me every minute, man.
Your problem. You must know when a woman vexed her. She might as be begging. Darling, you can't keep calling me.
Darling, why are you whispering?
Our next man in the house.
What? The landlord in the house?
You see?
What the landlord doing in the house?
He must be taking off your rent.
Why you ain't shut your mouth? Hello? No, darling, not this. Not you. I said shut your mouth. This is phone call. There's a woman in the station here with your big mouth. What? What? The landlord found on the flat screen.
She flat and she back and she's screaming she. Flat screen.
What, darling, you got it with 52 inch?
Oh, that's sorry for that woman. 52?
Take back the TV.
Oh, the TV.
You want the TV?
You are not repossessing the TV.
All right. Oh, stop fussing now. All right. Look, just lock the door. Don't let nobody else come inside. Jam a chair below the handle so he can't come back. Oh, gosh. Oh, you shut your mouth. Hello? Oh, but darling, I didn't tell you shut your mouth. Hello? Shit. Little boy is a blasted blight.
Me?
You, sir.
Will you blame me for? You ain't pay your rent, you ain't pay your kid, my bill, all kind of things, and you want to blame me if your wife paid for it? Don't blame me.
Don't blame me. You should worry about the police. That's what you have to worry about. Police
have to worry about landlord. He taking rent from your wife who have no money. I don't worry at all. You can imagine your wife had money and you are not come for rent from you. And she will pay him. I'm not talking about your wife, you know. I'm not talking about your wife. You're laughing as if it's you.
That's about why you're a harsh boy. Why you in hush?
I tried to hide, but...
You have other matters to deal with. Why you in hush? Oh, God. Oh, Lord.
What is that now?
Phone.
Your phone? Oh, God, you must pay for something else.
Hello? Come on, that'll give you a chance now. What, the water gone?
Oh, Lord have mercy, she go flood out. She paying for water.
But all right, but don't panic, man. When the man come and give me the money, you go put it back. All right, listen. It have a nice clean bucket of water under the stairs there. You could use that. You use a clean bucket of water to flush the toilet.
Okay. Oh, Lord have mercy.
All right, now your mouth stink, you stop pouring it. No, I don't mean that when I say your mouth stink, I'm not going to for the water. Oh, listen. All right, listen, guys, only 2 away in the house. You ain't bound to bathe until the water come back.
And the police stink.
Why you don't wash your stinkers?
And you can't wash yours.
What? Oh, God, not darling, I'm still dealing with the suspect when you feel like it's at work. Look how much shopping this is talking. You can't burn my clothes.
Oh, God, if it's rotten, it's going to be flammable.
No, shut your mouth, man. No, not you. Darling, listen to me. It's just a little inconvenience you're going through, that is all. How do you mean you can't live like this? It's laughter in your hand when I meet you.
Oh, God. Shouldn't tell the woman that. Shouldn't tell the woman that.
Hello?
Hello, you tell the woman what she latrine, she must shut you up. You know what I mean?
Some people don't like to hear the truth, man.
Officer, you need a woman.
Woman is here.
When man married, let's find out that.
I mean, I know he's not a good-looking fella.
Well, we can't argue with that.
So I just try and give my wife everything.
Well, right now, she get the landlord everything.
So I mean, she ain't working nowhere?
No worry, she working hard right now. You better careful, she get permanent.
What?
None. None.
Huh? I will put your little ass under pressure.
Well, you feel is that tire shop you running on?
Under real pressure here.
Officer, you're stressed out. You need to go home. You're wasting my time here.
So all of a sudden you feeling sorry for me?
Yeah? Eh?
Why?
Why?
Why are you feeling sorry for me?
Because you have a face that could make an onion cry.
Oh gosh!
What is that now?
You phone at me.
Alright, let me answer it.
Let me
Let me help you out. I can't see you going through all of this kind of thing. Lord have mercy. What the hell wrong with this police? With that Samsung Galaxy, all kind of thing. You want me too? Shit. Don't worry with it. Hello? Hello? No, it's not a Constable Charlie talking. It's where you want? Eh? Oh, what song is so? Is a child talking to you, you stupid? You wanna leave a message and leave it? But you're not interested. I ain't telling you you're not interested. You're not here, I here. Huh? Just delete the number from your phone because you're not interested, okay? You want to give me attitude? I will delete your number from your phone and I'm done with you. Man.
What did man want?
Want to put you in more trouble than you is?
More trouble than this?
Real trouble.
Oh, God,
shit, man.
This not can't take this.
I will save you, man, officer. Don't worry, man. I can tell you, I can't let you go through that. You can't lose everything, so.
No, I can't lose everything.
You know, all this thing you're going through and you want to buy your car, just so?
What? What is that?
You want to buy a car just so I can't do you that? What?
Little boy was depending on that sale to go pay off the bills and get back the things.
How much money that was?
I was getting $35,000 for the car.
But you one jackass police boy. You hear me telling the man that you sit down there and say nothing.
Put it back on the phone now, man. Put it back on the phone.
I can't call him back because I don't delete the number already.
So what the hell you expect me to do now?
Well, it's a police investigate.
Get on. Get on. Get on.
You know how long you said tell me that? If you don't tell me that, only time almost you can't tell.
You see, that is why anytime you see children picking fruit and things, you must leave them. Right? What the ass? The little boy picked the phone too? Hey!
Oi. Good night, everyone. This is the first time I'm telling you good night. I was busy, okay? I wanted to do some stuff before I say good night. Who is me? How long you sit on me? You see this kind of Alzheimer's business? Because when a woman come in a venue, when she had turned backward. I know everything had to be backward. Every time your man come by you, he is one of going back at you. Anyway, people, I have a little situation. I expected a call. And this is a very important call and I have to answer it. All right? So I can't spend all this time talking to the man, you know. When the call come in, I have to take it. The bullshit and come in. Lord of mercy. Hello? Hello?
Listen, this bill.
Who is this?
Your wife.
The wife? 10 years we married and you don't know the sound of my voice yet? You're calling me Bill?
I find a song like Bill.
You find a song like Bill? What is going on here?
Oh God. The fella who fixed the burglar proof.
Well, that's a good name to call it because it's a whole month I ain't getting.
What you talking about, Jerome?
Your burglar proof? The whole month we didn't have sex.
I'm talking about the burglar proof by the window.
But that's what I'm talking about. It happened to be by your window. Eh?
Stop talking stupid, it's not Jerome. This is serious.
It's serious, man. Why are you calling for Bill on my phone?
All the numbers similar.
That's all you notice must be a Bill.
Well, sorry, now I get mixed up.
You must get mixed up. You want to eat Lakatan and Guamichel at the same time. Eh? You have to get mixed up.
God.
Eh?
Jerome.
What?
It have a man in the house.
It take you a whole month to find out I'm in this house. Eh? Well, I'm in the house. Okay.
Shit, Jerome.
What?
Bandits in the house.
Bandit? Which one? Which one? Shit, you could call me and tell me that before I come inside this house, man. Eh? Where you calling from?
Under the bed.
What the hell you doing under the bed, man? Eh? You afraid you weapon? You afraid the body come in there and catch you?
I go stay quiet.
You can't stay quiet, you have the cold, you go cough.
Come in the bedroom and get me that Jerome, I'm frightened.
Me? I frightened you. Suppose I come inside there and he catch me. Eh?
He not in here.
Well, if he not in there, come out from under the bed.
Come out, I don't want to get kidnapped.
But you don't have nothing, nobody here want you. Shit.
Hey, I'm a woman. You don't want to get up to me.
Woman, since you start bodybuilding, your gender adapting. Come out from under the bed and flex your muscle for him. You afraid you?
All right. Which part is right now?
I'm in the living room right now.
Jerome,
Come out now.
Come out. The last time I attacked me 2 hours, you run and leave me.
Run and leave you. I was practicing for the sports day, the company had.
Yeah, right. And you come first and now the races you run.
Come first? It's a difference when you're running a sports and when you're running from a cutlass, you know. Eh? Come on from under the bed.
Shit, you can't protect me, Jerome. You're a damn coward.
I prefer to be a coward. All them brave fellows who attack bandits, they're dead now. They're all them heroes. Leave me, let me be a coward.
All right.
Eh?
All right. I'm coming.
What's that behind you?
I'm coming.
Who's that behind you now? Shit.
I'm not trying to play the ass, man. Shit.
Is your shadow? But what the hell is this, girl? What is wrong with you?
What?
You expect a bandit not to notice you looking all this glittery and thing there? What's all that? Eh? What is that in your hand there?
Pepper spray?
Bandit hotter than that. You call the police?
They say they have no car.
I can't believe that.
Shit.
You call 911?
Oh shit, man, Jerome.
All right. You call Crime Watch?
Go watch your head. He can't fix this right now at all. Go watch your head with that.
What is really going on with you and Bill?
What?
What is going on with you and Bill?
You can't remember, Jerome.
Who is that? What?
That is the man who built the gate. God.
Bill Gates. Oh, he programmed you?
You don't understand, Jerome. That is the man who fixing the windows.
Girl, I don't expect Bill Gates to be fixing nothing else but windows. Wait a minute. You have a brother working in the police station.
Hey, forget that. Forget he is going to clean the station.
But call him and clean up his mess.
No.
Can I take it?
Me too.
Eh? Wait a minute.
What?
I come inside and hear me and the dog.
What dog?
The dog! Me dog!
Me dog?
What the
When
dog?
I say feed the dog, Jerome?
You didn't feed it up?
Jerome, there's a whole damn year the dog dead. Yeah, I said I don't feed the dog. Shit. You fail to realize dog is man's best friend?
That dog ain't nobody's friend right now.
It's all right.
But you holding the belly right now. Oh, God have mercy. Wait a minute.
What?
You have a brother in the police station. Call him, man.
I just tell you to clean the damn station, you deaf? Shit.
Oh, gee. All right, you know what?
What?
You know what?
What? What is doing behind me?
Stop it.
What?
I will protect you from behind here if you bandit come.
Come on, from behind, what's all the before?
Remember, come on, I'm going to protect you. Once you come from behind, I'm going to run with you.
Suppose you have a gun?
If you ever going to spread it, but when you end up, go up. And here.
All right. You want it, Tuesday, man.
No. Woman is not better throwing pepper or total, man. You keep that. I will stay from the back here. Okay?
Suppose he in the yard?
If in the yard,
Yes.
I'm sorry for you when you go there. Spray me.
And where you going to be?
Right here waiting for you to come back.
Jerome.
What?
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 The toilet.
What?
You hear the toilet?
What?
You hear the toilet flush?
Girl, that is one shit me dealing with right now.
Jerome.
What?
This is serious stuff. You bandit in the toilet.
But go in the toilet and spray him down.
Shit, man, Jerome, this is serious stuff. This shit,
Go ahead. When man in toilet and spray my head them so it is burn them. Go ahead.
Stop talking shit, man, Jerome.
I talking shit. You doing shit. He's shit. Then what do you have?
What we gonna do, Jerome?
What we gonna do?
Aha!
What?
Listen, I have an idea.
What?
You don't think the police will come faster if we tell them somebody there?
Eh?
Yes, we tell somebody there.
Who there?
Nobody, Jerome.
What the ass you talking?
I want you to play dead. Yes.
Get this whole month I playing dead for you. Call Bill.
Jerome.
Hey.
Oh, stop talking sugar, listen, man. You go see how much police and army man go come up in here. Just lie down there. Play there.
Is a whole month you tell me lie down there? Call Bill.
Yes, lie down there. The first person man that's in your ass.
Shit, man.
Shit, man, I'm frightened. You know what to do. Come on.
All right.
Give me your phone. Give me your phone.
Just out. Shit, man.
Good. And you can't make no song, Jerome.
We mean I can't make no song. I'm the skull. I'm a cough.
Oh, God. Right. But I get it from you. Lie down.
Come I'm gonna play that.
Play dead.
Shit, boy.
And they can't make no song at your room. Oh, when you can't cough. Oh, watch your room.
Call it, Nazar.
Right.
Call it.
Right.
Oh, God.
Wait.
Oh, God.
Yes, this is the police station.
Oh, shit, it's the police station. They're calling down to them tonight.
Yes. Well, an incident happened by we.
What is the incident?
Who is we?
Who's me?
Me and Jerome.
Who the hell is me and Jerome?
Yes. Surname? Oh, the ass, I don't know why surname. I don't know I did school.
What kind of jackass when I live in there? Your last name?
Well, if I say that, shit, man. Riley.
You're riling them up.
Yeah. Eastern Main Road, Lavanti.
Oh, God, they ain't coming now.
Yeah.
I ain't think they're coming in. Oh, shit.
Yeah.
Oh, Lord, I'm
But listen. A bandit was in the house, and my husband killed him.
What?
Yes, he killed him.
You hear that?
Yes.
What shit is that?
We hear the light up in the living room.
What?
Yes, in the living room. Yes, officer. Hello. You see? I tell him to walk, they come in. I tell him to walk. Come on.
Nicole.
What?
Who you tell them get killed?
The bandit?
Why you tell the police he's lying down in the living room?
That's what I tell him.
Then what you tell them?
Well, I get confused. What would you want me to do?
How you always get confused now?
Police don't forget out. Them is bright people. I don't mean.
Shit, police bright.
Yeah, they're bright these
Oh,
days.
God, have mercy, man. I have been cold, I tell you. Oh, God. What?
Yes! Oh, God. Jerome.
Police.
Come in, officer, come in. Right here. Right.
Cover your nose and your coughing, madam.
Sorry. What I may hear?
Are you body there?
Yeah, that's the thing.
May I see no blood?
Throw ketchup. Shit. Oh, God. Oh, God. Oh, Lord. Oh, shit.
Yeah, that's yes.
Woman.
What is called what I meant?
Woman, wait. Where your husband?
He in the house.
Go and get him, you have to go down by the station,
For what?
What do you mean for what? A man dead? Or you have a report to make?
Oh, shit.
What officer?
Hey! Get your husband, let me go down by the
All right, you
station.
come just now.
I tell the police that you didn't write it.
I'm sorry.
What you show that man there? Where's that? You show that man there?
Yeah, he did. I am sure.
Shit, I can't take it! I can't take this shit! Oh, God. Lord have mercy, Nicole. Lord. Hey, what?
What the hell going on here? What the hell going on here?
Well, you see, officer, the first time when the bandit was in the house, yeah.
So where he is now?
Explaining.
Uh-huh.
Then, my husband decided to play dead.
Is
You
it-
all look quick.
Me? I?
Yes!
Shit, what stupid is you talking?
All right. Come, let me go down by the station.
For what?
I mean for what? Wasting police time.
Officer, I think the bandit in the toilet.
No.
Yes.
Tell him that.
In the toilet.
Call the police.
The first time she called, I didn't come.
Yes.
That is why all this shit happening.
I thought you dead.
Oh shit, let me go back. I don't know.
Hey, come on. Let's have no story in that. Get up from there, let me go down by the station. Come on, let me go.
Hang on with all you. Eh? Why didn't you come all the time? Eh? What the hell you think it is?
Hey, I've been on charge only for wasting police time.
What?
What if the police supposed to come and they come? What are you doing? Is that what you can do?
That don't come.
It don't come.
Sorry.
Don't tell me nothing. Nicole, you're too damn.
What's your problem? You only deserve one another.
That is police harassment.
Like police harassment? When I'm done and I carry you down, I'm going to give you additional charge for lying on the police. That is what I'm going to charge you with. Lying on the police.
Lying on the police?
Yeah.
It's all you who causing this shit.
Hey, get out.
Get on, I tell you, man.
Get out. To all you get out, man.
Get out of it.
Get out of the house, get out.
Get out.
Hey, this is my
We house?
Yeah.
You paying for me for here? You hear him? Tell me about get out we house. Get out fast. Damn fast, that's what he is. Tell him get out of you.
Nicole.
Here, faster than that.
Nicole, gun.
Don't tell me gun I know.
I said gun.
Don't tell me gun I know.
Nicole, gun.
Oh shit, you're gone. You won't tell me that on the blast this time.
You know what I used to go down? Because let me tell you something, you have a whole lot of things that I like to see. When I was a little boy, I had no parents. None of them didn't want me. I'm telling you, is it true? They didn't want me at all. Why? Because I was ass. Okay? And they tell me so. Alright? I mean, they want to see me now. But when I was growing up, there was absolutely nothing happening for me. I was a non-entity. Learie Joseph was absolutely nothing. Yes, I'm telling you. I lived on the streets for 2 years because my mother abandoned me the year before that. Again, I was like about 14 years of age at the time. It was wonderful. You know why? Because I had no dotish mother to tell me that. It was wonderful, all right? It was wonderful until the hunger kicked in. She wasn't there, I was getting absolutely nothing. All of a sudden, at around the age of 15 and stuff like that, I started to look for a job, fix myself, go to school. I went back to school. Even at that time, I went to school. I tell you. And hence the reason why I tell all young people these days, never cut down a tree. Because that tree that you cut down might be the tree that will give you fruit in the future. Okay? And I always tell them that. Because what happened to me is that I kept on and on rolling. And today, I have the opportunity to go to schools for their graduation and tell the little ones what to do to make the best of their lives. Oh yeah. I love it. The last principal I had in school told me I was going to become an ass. A lot of people call me an ass these days. I wish my principal could see that I'm being paid for it now. I love it. So I'm asking all of the adults here, my thing is, because of my health childhood, I'm asking all big people in this world, everybody, I don't care if you're white, black, green, whatever, I'm asking everybody in this world to make sure, do what my parents didn't do, take care of the children, because you never know, they might be commanding an audience one day. All right? Do that for me, please. Because I say it again, I love it. This one watching me as if he's my uncle. Excuse me. When I was looking for all the other ones, you know. I know you want to tell me something, you know, but we will talk after. Okay? So people, listen to what I'm telling you earlier. We're going into the next thing right now. Please welcome on stage Wendell, the man is here. Yeah.
I'm
No secretary. I get a little vase, I get a little owl phone. How you mean I can't stay in the police? Police wait. Oh, police here? You can't drive home, you go drive home. We'll stay and watch them. The police are around the house. This house? You tell them again? You're setting up. She's savage. What's this? Hey, you owe me one, boy. You owe me one, you can't leave me here, you owe me one. How you mean? Remember when the ugly girl was calculating in school? I mean, that ain't good enough. Okay. Alright, come on. Wait a minute. On the left side? Shit! We got police everywhere here, boy. Oh God. What the hell is this? How you can come through what window? Is the 5th floor where you feel like a fly? What the... Alright. Tell me. I can't go back in jail, you know. I can't go back in jail. The last time I was in jail, you want to dance, I had to dance to keep people away from me. Oh, shucks, the police, oh God! Police said, they're outside. Alright, I will stay here until. Who is that? What? Can I find it? Oh.
Baby, you home? Baby, my girl things hot these days, man. Girl, if you see police outside there, place hot. Lord have mercy. Hey, baby, who they? Baby, you hearing me? Wait a minute, I ain't breathing. Who's that there? Who there? Look, if you don't answer me right now, I'll scream like a bitch till the police come inside of here. Answer me. Hello? Baby? All the time I'm talking to you there and you stand up there and you ain't saying nothing? Shit, man. I didn't hear you. Eh? Red police outside, you know? Did you see police? Police outside? Yes, there's a bandit in the area. A bandit in we area? In we area, girl. If you see bandit, if you see police out there. Come outside. No! And tell me what they're doing. No! I mean, no, honey. Let's stay inside. You're frightened? Yes! The next thing I know, the bandit armed and dangerous. Lord have mercy. Yes, so let's stay inside. You want me to protect you? Eh? What? Come let me hold you. Come. No! Come let me hold you. No! Wait, nobody asked? No. What happened? You can't hold me. Why? Oh God, why? Well, I'm not decent. When you're decent, I got to know ass right now. Come. No, shut the man. What you looking for the for? You're too fresh. Oh Lord, you that is a fresh day. I could put a little fresh in your salt. What do you ask? Wait a minute. How do you something, sir? I have the flu. When you're afraid of a little cold, come the man. I have a rash. Rash? Rash making you talk, sir? Yes. Where the rash is? It's all over. Rash all over? Nah. You're lying. It's true. You're lying. It's true. No. Why is it a lie? I talked past everywhere last night and I ain't come up with a single bump. Hey. rash you telling me about?
Again? But when the rash come up suddenly.
Come on, my bum come up suddenly too. I want you to ease it down.
But what about the police?
Forget them. Let me kill the thing first, now, man.
Kill the thing?
Yes.
Just to kill a cat has always been my desire. To kill a cat. Ever since I was a young fella, no big stick or no hot water. Just strength and stamina. The girlfriend tell me the thought is divine. I will only kill that cat in my mind.
You want to stop?
Come on, man. Come on. Use mine. I'm paying for you.
You pay for me?
Yes.
When I come home?
Wait, I know that. You forget the one.
How long you pay for?
I'll pay for the next 4 days. Come.
Oh.
Lord have mercy. Oh, God, baby. Baby. I find you very kinky, baby. You want it on the floor. Coffee. Oh, Lord have mercy. Let me ask you, God. Lord. Wait, what is this? What the hell is this? You have me running all over the place like I'm in an Indian movie. What's this?
What?
Yeah. You have me running all over the place. I'm a chula hot.
What do you mean to cool down?
Cool down? Listen, I went out to buy 2 Viagra and chase it down. Right now I want to see the red one. Right now I want to see rubber burn one. It's condom I buy, you know.
For what the mother?
Wait, say that again.
What the mother?
I don't like how you're singing. I don't like how you're singing.
I don't like how you're speeding.
Well, you need to cool me down. Give me a kiss and let me just cool down a little bit.
All right, so you get a little kiss, you will cool down?
But yes, but I don't come for now. Come on, man. Your lips like yours could tame a snake.
And that is exactly what you is.
What?
A snake.
All right, but come and tame it.
What the hell happened to you?
Oh God, girl. Oh God. I want to kiss you, girl. Come the man. Hey.
All right.
Oh God, come the man. You're not gonna cool me down for a little bit?
All right.
Until we ready?
All right.
Come the man.
All right.
Oh God, girl, you're alive. Your lip rough like sandpaper. Shit.
Oh, your ass.
How are you sounding so?
So something about.
You're sounding that kind of way. 1 minute you're sounding too, don't you're going over slow. What is going on with you?
That is the flow.
The flow?
Yes, it's the flow.
All right. Okay.
Don't be rushing, speeding. Why are you speeding so far?
Wait a minute. Wait. You ever ride the waves?
Ride the what?
The waves.
Ride what wave?
You never went surfing?
Oh, surfing, yeah, I went surfing a couple times.
Okay. Well, you have to learn how to ride the waves.
What are you talking about?
Well, what do you ask? The Viagra I take last night, no kicking.
Well, I'm not ready.
You're not ready?
I'm not ready.
Well, I'm ready and the Viagra ready. So you're out number 2 to 1, come.
But what the mother hell is this?
Shit, man. What is this one?
Okay, well, all right, hold on. Look, I have to make a phone call.
All right, go ahead. I'm going to make myself comfortable for you.
You do that.
Shit, man. I'm not able without you, know. Oh, you're wasting people's time. Shit, man.
Hey, where you is, man? I'm not the police still outside, but where you is?
What?
Or you can drive off and leave me just so. You can't just drive off and leave me just so, man. Come back here. I'm coming, honey.
Hey, you ain't supposed to be saying that. Is I supposed to be saying that, okay? So,
say what?
I'm coming!
Hey, Kenna. I trap inside here with one trusty blind old man. Look, if you ain't come and get me here quick, I could get raped in Braille.
Hey. Who you talking to, sir?
Hello.
Who you talking to there?
I just don't. Oh, God!
Oh, shit, you see it? It's in my brother and I've been looking for come. Come on.
We can't do this now.
Why?
Why, oh God, why you like to ask why? Why? Because the call I just got. Two of the girls didn't come to work.
That's so?
But when I have to go back and work a double.
Will you even work a single here?
Don't worry, you'll get a full refund.
I don't want no refund. I went down to buy more chasing down with a Simmons and 2 pack of nuts. A person from the sea right now. I need to put it in. You ain't afraid.
You hurt yourself.
Hurt myself?
You're afraid of dead.
Girl, when I'm done with you, I ain't going alone now.
Oh gosh.
Where you going now?
I'm right here. Oh gosh.
Come to man.
No.
Wait. Wait a minute.
What?
You hear that?
What?
You hear that?
Hear what?
You're deaf for what? You hear that?
I hear what? Hear what?
Nothing. The police gone.
Good. Very good.
What are you doing now?
What do we know? You should feel shame. In hard back, man, you should feel shame. Look at you getting all nasty with yourself. What happened to your wife?
What?
Your wife?
My wife is an angel.
You see, you're nasty, eh? You see what you have? You have an angel for your wife. And then the slackness that you're doing. You're a nasty, dirty, stinking, blind old man. You're a disgrace. You have an angel for a wife and you're doing this behind your back.
Me doing it in front of your face?
In front of your face?
Yes!
She taping us?
Were you afraid you end up on crime? Watch or what?
But you say no camera, where your wife?
She on the table?
On the table?
She right on the table. You see she?
Don't know what you on the table? The table where?
Right there! In the urn! What you ask?
Your wife dead?
Oh, she's a genie or what? Don't she end up in the bottle? She's dead.
Oh, gosh.
Couple of months.
Oh, God.
Wait a minute. What is that?
A fallen angel.
Lord have mercy. Oh, Jesus and ages, man.
Oh, gosh. I bumped my toe.
You bumped it up?
I bumped my toe.
You bumped it up?
I bumped my toe.
You bending down now?
Yes, I'm rubbing it.
You're rubbing it up? You're bending down now?
I'm rubbing my toe. Yes, I'm rubbing my toe.
All right, don't waste the pose. Don't waste the pose. Don't waste the pose. Don't waste the pose. Oh, Jesus and ages. Lord have mercy. Oh, God, girl. What is this?
This is a gun.
A gun?
A gun.
Well, girl is gone for God.
Hey.
What?
Hey, go so. Come on.
Oh, Lord, girl. Hey, you're well getting into character. Hey. Lord have mercy.
Come.
I like that.
Come here.
Wait. Oh, good, girl. Hey. Girl, you wasting your time as a hoe.
Why you don't hush your ass?
I can't hush me.
Don't. Sit down here. Sit down.
Oh, Lord. You're getting into character, girl.
What?
You're Stop wasting your time. You're sounding like a real man. You should be at home, you should be in Hollywood. You could relax.
I could relax. Yeah, yes. Put your foot together. Put your foot together.
Oh God, I'm getting it now. Oh Lord, I'm mercy. Oh God, I'm getting my money's worth. I love that. Hey, take my hand too. Take my hand too. Oh Lord, yes, yes. Oh God, have mercy, you.
No, you. Now you stay right there, you naughty boy.
You're forgetting something.
What?
You're forgetting something.
What?
My mouth. You want the people to hear me scream or what? Take my mouth. Take my mouth. Take it, take it, take it.
Ladies and gentlemen, I want to thank you so much for being a fantastic audience. This brings us to the end of the show. I want you to put your hands together and show some love to our lone actress of the evening, Miss Dolores Alexander. We call her Dolores Hot Like Fire Alexander. My name is Wendell Etienne. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Did I forget anything?
Yes, hold it.
Huh? Oh shit! I forget you the half just to move my mind.
Ladies and gentlemen, I would like personally to thank all of you for coming out and supporting the thing, okay? I love you. And I would like to always see all of you. What are we doing here? There's a raffle? You want me to spin that for you? I want this Nako to win.